present a panel discussion by our classmates on importance of green earth.
Green Earth, Clean World, our responsibility and our future. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Lakshmi Shri. Today, we are here to discuss on a very important theme Green Earth, Clean World. Panelists, kindly introduce yourself.
This is Dia, environmentalist.
Hi, I'm Geetanjali, a scientist.
Hi, I'm Kavin and I am a government representative.
Myself, Ashwita, industrial leader.
Hi everyone, my name is Dia. I am the youth representative.
Myself, Dhanesh Adya, a citizen activist.
Hello, I am Fatima. I am student representative.
Let's hear from our distinguished panelists about how we can make this dream a reality. I'll begin with our environmentalist.
The earth losing at greenery at alarming rate due to deforestation and pollution. If we don't act now, future generation may not even what a clean world look like. Planting tree, reducing waste, protecting our forest are the first step. Thank you.
Very true. Thank you, Dia Kajal. A clean earth means a green earth. Now, let's hear from our scientist.
Climate change and global temperatures are linked directly to the human activities. Burning fossil fuels, excessive use of plastics, and industrial waste are polluting air, water, and soil. The solution lies in the clean energy. Solar, wind, biofuels can power our world without destroying it.
Thank you, Geeta. Science is clearly showing us a way forward. Over to a government representative.
Policies are in place to ban single use plastics, promote waste segregation, and encourage renewable energy. But these laws can only succeed when the citizen actively participate. A clean world is not just a government duty, it's everyone's responsibility.
Absolutely true. Thank you, Kevin. Let's hear from our industrial leader.
Industries are often blamed for pollution, but we are also a part of solution. By adopting green technology, reducing carbon emission, and investing in eco-friendly practices, industries can grow without harming the nature. Corporate social responsibilities are also focusing on tree plantation and waste recycling.
Thank you, Ashwita. Excellent. Now, let's hear to the voice of youth and education.
Schools and colleges are shaping the eco warriors of tomorrow through campaigns like tree plantation drives, cleanup marathons, and eco club. We are teaching students that protecting Earth is not an option but a duty. Youth energy can transform this movement into a global force.
Thank you, Dia. Wonderful. Now, let's hear to the voice of citizen activist.
Each of us has the power to bring change. Simple steps like saving water, carrying cloth bag instead of plastic, composting kitchen waste, and carpooling can make a huge difference. A clean world starts at home with our daily choices.
Thank you, Danya Sarthi. Very true. Now, let's hear to the voice of young students, a student representative.
As a student, we may not make a big policies or run industries. For example, in my school, we have eco clubs that conduct tree plantation drives and plastic-free campaigning. We carry steel bottle instead of buying packaged water. We separate waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable bins. Small habits like switching off fans and lights when not in use. If every student follows this practice, we can inspire families and communities to keep our earth green and our world clean.
Thank you, Fatima. Thank you, panelists, for your valuable insights. We have heard that governments, industries, citizens, educators, industrial workers all have a role to play. Together, we build a cleaner world and a greener planet. Let's pledge to act because the future of our planet depends on it.
கவியரசு வைரமுத்துவின் வரிகளுக்கு உயிர் கொடுத்து கவிப்பாட வருகின்றனர் எம் தோழிகள்.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். வாரும் வள்ளுவரே, மக்கட்பண்பில்லாதவரை என்ன சொன்னீர்? மரம் என்றீர். மரம் என்றால் அவ்வளவு மட்டமா?
வணக்கம் அவ்வையே. நீட்டோலை வாசியான் யார் என்றீர்? மரம் என்றீர். மரம் என்றால் அவ்வளவு இழிவா?
பக்கத்தில் யாரது? பாரதி தானே. பாஞ்சாலி மீர்க்காத பாமரரை என்னவென்றீர்? நெட்டை மரங்கள் என்றீர். மரங்கள் என்றால் அவ்வளவு கேவலமா?
மரம் சிருஷ்டியில் ஒரு சித்திரம், பூமியின் ஆச்சரியக்குறி. நினைக்க நினைக்க நெஞ்சூரும் அனுபவம்.
விண்மீனுக்கு தூண்டில் போடும் கிளைகள், சிரிப்பை ஊற்றி வைத்த இலைகள், உயிர் ஒழுகும் மலர்கள். மனிதன் தரா ஞானம் மரம் தரும் எனக்கு. மனிதர் தரா ஞானம் மரம் தரும் எனக்கு.
மனித ஆயுள் குமிழுக்குள் கட்டிய கூடாரம். மரம் அப்படியா? வாழும் உயிர்களில் அதிக ஆயுள் கொண்டது அதுவேதான்.
மனித வளர்ச்சிக்கு 30 வந்தால் முற்றுப்புள்ளி. மரம் இருக்கும் வரை பூ பூக்கும், இறக்கும் வரை காய் காய்க்கும். மரம் இருக்கும் வரை பூ பூக்கும், இறக்கும் வரை காய் காய்க்கும்.
மரங்கள் இல்லையேல் காற்றை எங்கே போய் சலவை செய்வது?
மரங்கள் இல்லையேல் மழைக்காக எங்கே போய் மனு செய்வது?
மரங்கள் இல்லையேல் மண்ணின் மடிக்குள் ஏதப்பா ஏறி?
பறவைகளுக்கும் விலங்குகளுக்கும் மரம் தரும் உத்திரவாதம் மனிதர் நாம் தருவோமா?
மனிதனின் முதல் நண்பன் மரம், மரத்தின் முதலெதிரி மனிதன். மனிதனின் முதல் நண்பன் மரம், மரத்தின் முதலெதிரி மனிதன்.
உண்ணக்கனி ஒதுங்க நிழல், உடலுக்கு மருந்து உணர்வுக்கு விருந்து. அடைய கொடில் அடைக்க கதவு.
அழகு வேலி ஆடத்துளி தடவ தைலம் தாளிக்க எண்ணெய் எழுத காகிதம் எரிக்க விறகு. அழகு வேலி ஆடத்துளி தடவ தைலம் தாளிக்க எண்ணெய் எழுத காகிதம் எரிக்க விறகு. மரம்தான் மரம்தான் எல்லாம் மரம்தான். மரம்தான் மரம்தான் மனிதன் மரம்தான். மனிதா மனிதனாக வேண்டுமா? மரத்திடம் வா, ஒவ்வொரு மரமும் போதி மரம். நன்றி.
We now invite our classmates to present a thought-provoking skit about our theme.
Arav, a curious schoolboy. Grandma, wise, nature-loving elder. Mayor, wants development but ignores nature. Mayor's son, a bright boy. Tree spirit, magical character who loves greenery. Citizens, group representing city people. Scene 1, the busy city. City background noise. Honking, construction sounds, a random ringtone of crazy frog, people coughing, wearing masks. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, tall buildings and roads replaced parks and trees. Life was busy, but not so happy.
I couldn't even breathe properly. Feel like I'm in a car exhaust.
And the heat is scorched. Bro, let us do an experiment. Let's cook omelette on the street.
Okay.
Success! Omelette ready. We don't need gas. Road is enough.
Grandma, why is the world on hardcore mode?
Because, dear, we forgot to take care of nature. A city without trees is like a body without a heart, or as you say, a device without charge.
Scene 2.
I'm the spirit of the trees, also known as I Shall Live. I've been watching your city suffer. Do you need cleaner air, cooler streets, and healthier lives?
Yes, but how?
Plant trees, maybe grow a garden. Plant trees, maybe grow a garden. Protect water bodies and use clean energy. A greener city means healthier and happier lives, and not being burnt like my friend with a bad haircut.
Scene 3.
We need more malls and flavors that will make people happy. Everyone loves concretes.
But, Mayor, what's the use of malls if people can't breathe fresh air?
Mayor, imagine a city with gardens on rooftops, cycling tracks, and buy one get one free oxygen tanks. That's true progress.
Dad, I'm not able to breathe.
Oh, that should not happen. You are acted in my brain cells. A city should grow with nature, not against it. From today, we'll plant thousands of trees and make our cities greener.
Scene 4.
I feel so much healthier now. My lungs just thanked me.
And my electricity bill is lower thanks to my rooftop garden. Now I can chill summer that is in the fridge.
A greener city means happier lives. Remember, the future is in your hands.
We have heard a lot about our theme, but have we ever wondered who is going to change the future? Who will do it? When will it start happening? Who will be the change in our earth?